Another gloomy, boring day. Oh wait, why don't we unbox? Holla! As always, I'm excited to do this. Who's not? My forever buddy, Sharpie. One, two, and three. So satisfying. Very satisfying. This is for another video. And this is what we need now. Kaboom! I can already smell it. Look at the material. Take a close look. So sweet to touch. I like the texture. I like the look. It's got magnetic element there. A very fine finish. I love it. Let's see the inside. It's always nice to have something like this. Thumbs up for this, Infiland. Feels so premium. Nice finish. Nice plastic quality. Do you like it too? Let's try the angular modes of this case. It doesn't have notches or steps, but let me check. With some taps there, it works. Not too big for the size, just appropriately measured. Now let's see how it fits on the S7 Plus. It's actually a bit tight, and the S7 Plus doesn't just slide in place so easily. But I take it as a good thing, as long as it doesn't scratch the device. And yes, it doesn't. I'm happy with that. I like that the S7 Plus fits so snugly. looks so flat and firm. It's not bulging at any part of it, which can sometimes make many cases look bulky. This is an intelligently designed case. The space provided for the S Pen is just so right. Perfectly secures the pen in place, not too tight and definitely not loose. This is what I'm talking about. It stays in place. Amazing, isn't it? That's not a good idea. Now, let me try something. Let's put my Bluetooth keyboard here. Amazing. The magnet on the case keeps my keyboard in place. Here's another cool feature. The auto screen off feature is activated. Thanks again to that attractive magnet. Now let me give you some more inspective B-roll shots through the help of my shaky arms. There you have it. I hope you find this video helpful, and just to give you my overall rate for this case, I'll give it a 9 out of 10 score. I would say that this is yet the best Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus case you can buy online at the time of this recording. It would have been a perfect score if the outer material used is something that can be easily cleaned, like PU leather, high-grade plastic, or rubber material, as I regularly clean my devices with alcohol wipes. Nevertheless, I would still recommend this product, and I put the Amazon link in the description below, and if you purchase one through my link, it won't make me rich, but can at least help the channel grow. So please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe and hit the bell if you want more. And of course, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.